Hey yo, what's good, y'all? It's your boy Bobby Stigwell, and I'm back with another video. Listen, I'm probably gonna lie. I'm going to try to keep this intro short and sweet, but I'm probably lying. So anyway, regardless of how long this intro is, man, I appreciate y'all stopping by, clicking on this video, man. If you're new around here and that big button down below is still red, you're doing it all wrong, man. Make sure the button is gray. Subscribe to the channel, man. Join the movement. It's been a while since I did a pickup vlog or a review here on the channel, but it's time, man. Today is the release day of the Jordan 4 Craft. Now, I have no idea how limited these sneakers are as far as in quantity, but I know as far as release locations, at least here in Ohio, very scarce. So y'all let me know in the comment section down below, how is the release in your city? Are they everywhere? Are they sitting? Or are they not? Can you not find them at all? Because I know here we usually get everything at JD Sports, Finish Line, stuff like that. Foot Locker, obviously. Nobody has them. Didn't even see them at Soul Classics. I didn't check their Instagram today, but I don't think that they had them. I don't know if it's late shipments or different things like that, or if it's just going to be a limited release as far as locations, or if everything was on the sneakers app today. I have no idea. But I have an hour and a half drive there and an hour and a half drive back. 3 hours total worth of driving just to be picking this pair of sneakers up. So we're going to get on the road. We got to be there before noon. And I got off work. I worked last night, so I'm running on 2 hours sleep. But we got to get up here and get these pairs, man, get a review up on the channel and see if I want to keep these. I don't know if I'm keeping them or not. I think there's something else coming up down the road that I might want more, but we'll see, because I haven't seen them obviously in hand yet. But let's get on the road, man. I appreciate y'all rolling with me. Let's get down to Cincinnati, make it happen. We finally arrived. You know what I'm saying? Pulling up. I don't know the last time I've been in a Hibbett Sports. You know what I'm saying? We out here. Dunk life. Let's go see. Hopefully they ain't sold my pair. All right, y'all. So we done made it to, what is this called, Jay? Liberty Center?
Liberty Center.
Liberty Center Mall here in Cincinnati, Ohio. We figured since we went to Hibbett, wasn't nothing to look in there. Wasn't nothing in there to look at. So we're gonna see what the mall is talking about, see exactly what they got, see if they got Foot Locker, Finish Line, Foot Action, whatever. I don't know what they got inside, but we didn't want to just waste an hour and a half trip to Cincinnati to turn around and go right back home. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna run inside, see what's available, see what's sitting, and see if we can pull something out of here. But I'm about to get out of this cold. Let's get inside. Well, obviously there ain't no sneakers down here in Cincinnati either. Got the IEs. Got the Eddie Jones. If you know, you know. What is it called? Dub Zeros. I don't know how people walk around in these Mexican mics. Yeah, what are these called? What are these? Obsidian 13s? You know what I'm saying? You got Citrus 7s. Breads. Alright, well obviously Foot Locker was a dub. It was worth absolutely nothing. So we're gonna walk into Champs, see what they got going on. It might be more of the same. It's looking just like Columbus in Cincinnati. So usually with sneaker stores, when stuff is sitting but it's like their hottest stuff, they send it up here at the counter, and it looked like this might be the hottest thing they got in the store. So yikes. All right, well Champs didn't have anything either, so Champs didn't have nothing either. As y'all can see, if I even recorded, I don't even remember if I pulled my phone out or not. Most stores, man, y'all let me know how it was in y'all city, man. I don't think a lot of Foot Lockers, Champs, even JD Sports and Finish Line got these fours. That's why I had to drive all the way down here to hit. I think A couple of DTLRs in Columbus got it, but I didn't hit there. Good luck to any of you guys that hit online today. We're about to get out of this mall. I think they only have Champs and Foot Locker here, and they didn't have anything. So I'll go and I'll do a full review back at the house, and see what they're hitting for. I really don't know if I'm gonna be completely honest. I'll talk about this in a review. I don't know if it's gonna be something I keep, especially since I seen something else that's supposed to be dropping. Another Ford I think it's called Neutral Gray, that's dropping, that I might be a little bit more interested in as far as the mock-up. So that might be the move, but we'll see. I'll talk to y'all back at the house. I'm about to get back on the road. Hour and a half ride back. All right, guys. It's been a long, exhausting day. Finally back at the house. I'm tired, boss. But I have the box right here in front of me. Hopefully I can get my lighting right where you can see everything that I show you. I'm still trying to work through the kinks of this thing, man. I'm rusty. I'm rusty on making videos. But anyway, man, you got the Air Jordan 4 Retro, Photon Dust and Pale Vanilla, size 11, my personal size, UK size 10. I'll show you guys this label. Hopefully it picks it up for you. There we go. You know, I show the label most of the time, man, because a lot of times, like when you have a bunch of sneakers and you keep your boxes and different things like that, Jordan 1s, different things like that, a lot of these have the same boxes. And when there's a lot of the similar colorways, red and black and white and varsity red and all this, I need to know what I went back and watched people YouTube video just to see what the label, like I can't remember. It doesn't say whatever the nickname of a sneaker is. It doesn't say Jordan 1 Breads. It says certain colorways. So I like to see the label. So I'm like, oh, okay, Photon Dust. That's what, this has a great box, so that wouldn't matter. But anyway, this is legit my first time opening it in the store. I didn't open them. She didn't open a box. I didn't open a box, put them in the bag and put them in the car and got back on the road. Well, we went to the mall. Then we got on the road. I have not looked at these. I legit have not looked at these yet. So this will be my first time looking at these with you guys. On the inside of the box, you got this pale vanilla, I guess you would call it, like a light yellow. Sorry about the focusing, but you got a yellow inside of the box. There's no stock number, there's no anything like that. Not bad. I can't lie. These ain't bad at all. So I'll pull both out just to make sure there's no quality control issues on these. They do have the green stamp on the inside. I'll set this box to the side and I'll bring these out. Now, I'll get this close so the lighting will have time to adjust. There we go. Now, looking at these up close and personal, I'm not mad at these at all. All around your toe box, you have this thick, hairy suede. Feels really good to the touch. Now on the toe box, it's your traditional leather. It's a little bit lighter shade, but darker shade. I don't think it's darker just because. I think it's darker because it's a different material. Now, would you see changes? I don't feel like pulling out another 4, but on the side panels here, let the lighting adjust. There's no cage. You just have like a suede padding or whatever you want to call this, you know, this right here. There's no cage. You have this yellowed wing. Both are yellow on the back. Also got like a pale vanilla with like a darker gray heel tab back here. I honestly, in my opinion, I know it's not, you know, I know a lot of people like the Nike Air on the back. I think that they should put Nike Air on the back of everything, regardless if it's a OG retro or not. I think aesthetically it just looks better. You already have a Jordan Jumpman on the front of the sneaker anyway, on the tongue over the flight. Just throw, oh shoot, around the ankle collar, you have another transition into another material. Up here, this is like the cracked leather
that you find on a lot of your recent stuff, most recently the Lost and Founds. And it's only on one side. It's only on the medial side. The lateral side is a traditional leather, and it has this, I don't know what this little patch of material is for up here by the ankle collar, but this is a traditional leather on this side. But on this side, for some reason, they put the cracked leather. On your outsole, you got like this charcoal gray midsole, I guess you would say, and then it transitions into like this sail midsole. You got a gray air unit inside, gray sock liner. Gray sock liner, gray insole with the pale vanilla behind the tongue. These are really, really clean. Now, also, I may keep these, I may not. I think that these were a lot more limited as far as locations than any of us anticipated going into this release. I think it was kind of a crap show release, man. I don't think that the Jordan brand did this correctly. I don't know. I'm glad that I was able to get a pair, but I think it could have been done better, especially if it's the stock numbers are what people say they are. I have no idea. I don't have any intel on stock numbers and different things like that. But I wish more people were able to get their hands on these and took less L's, because it is a very, very nice Jordan 4. The popularity on the Jordan 4 is through the roof for the last 18 months. For whatever reason, 2 years, about 18 months to a year. Somehow it took over the hype for the Jordan 1. That has dissipated, and now we're on to Jordan 4s, I guess. At least you guys are. Like, I like 4s. I've always liked 4s, but Jordan 1s will always be my go-to. That's just me. I'm not just gonna jump off because the sneaker community says jump off. I don't know how that works, but these are nice. But like I said in the mall, if the mock-ups of this neutral gray Jordan 4, I'll put the release date, the supposed release date up here, because I can't, I can't remember what it is right now, but I'll put it up here. If those release looking like they look in this picture, I probably will let these go and keep those, because that is a more, to me, to my eyeballs, it's more aesthetically pleasing. So I would probably go with those over these, but I don't need 2 pairs of gray 4s. And by that time, the prices on these will probably be a lot higher than they are now, resale. And then I could just flip these for either money to, help with a bill around the house, or flip these into another sneaker that I want to add to my collection, trade bait, or, a couple extra dollars for profit for a bill. So anyway, man, I appreciate y'all watching another one of my videos. I'm going to try to be a little bit more consistent. The problem, what I realized is, it's hard for me. Like, once I started getting away from making videos, I realized that I'm actually being more selective. A lot of people say like, oh, I want to be more selective. I'm being more selective this year, I'm legit. I started last year. I'm being more selective. I'm going to buy I can't just buy sneakers to make reviews. I don't want to do it. It doesn't do it for me. If I'm going to continue to make content, it's going to have to be fun to me. And just reviewing sneakers isn't fun, and buying every single release just to make content isn't fun to me. So I appreciate y'all watching this video. This is a sneaker that I like, so I figured, why not vlog it? Why not review it and see, show you guys, give you guys my opinion. It's 2 weeks into the month already, and I'm still going to do a heater cheeks for this month. So I'm probably going to shoot that tomorrow, and I'm still going to release it, because regardless of how far into the month, you guys like my opinion on sneakers. It's not necessarily just sitting in front of the camera and doing a review on every sneaker that comes out. If it already came out, I'm still going to do a review on it from the beginning of the month all the way to the end of this month, and then we're going to rock out like that. But anyway, I've rambled long enough, man. I appreciate y'all watching the review. I'm out of here. OV!
Whose world is this? taking over, hit the landscape of the kicks and copping any bricks. Off fire you desire, my rock and maybe flip. It's season, you never trip, get them early, I never miss no bite. But if they hot, make it to the court, they count. Now welcome to Bobby Sneaker World, yeah, Bobby Sneaker World, Sneaker World, Sneaker